Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to see old Google Maps Street View. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight into this video, shall we? Alright guys, open up Google Maps in your Android or iOS. Alright, for this demonstration I'm just going to pick a random house on inside Google Maps. So I'm going to come over here and click onto, say, this address here. So I'm going to click and hold this address. So now I'm going to click on the street view, and now you can see the street view of this house. And now from here, to see the old maps, old street view for this address, where it says down below the address, just below that it says see more dates. Click onto that, and then you've got dates from April 2023, July 2013, December 2009, January 2008. So if I go ahead and pick January 2008, it will show you an older street view of this house. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.